This demonstration will showcase how Pi Vision allows for the monitoring of a remote wind farm. A plant manager has recently been put in charge of a remote wind farm. The farm has a Pi server collecting data from all 10 site wind turbines. To understand the operational performance, they open up Pi Vision and compare the active and expected power across the fleet. They immediately see 2 turbines are not producing power and drill down into both assets. They inform the process engineer of this issue. The process engineer has already received an automated text message with a link to the same displays and started their investigation. They can see all operational parameters and find that the B bearing temperature is elevated and it likely needs to be overhauled. To plan the overhaul, the plant manager consults the forecast data for the farm and sees that tomorrow's forecast low wind speed presents an opportunity to overhaul the bearing with minimal production lost. The plant manager opens the Wind Farm Pi Vision homepage to visualize the current farm health. Wind farm health is composed of each turbine's individual health and performance. Underperforming turbines need to be tracked. They clearly see that the Black Wolf wind farm is in poor health, with the lowest equipment availability factor over the past week. They drill down into the farm details to understand why the availability is lower than the other farms. At the farm level, the manager sees all 3 turbines are in normal operation. The active power has fallen significantly below the expected power. Turbines GE08 and GE09 both are underperforming based on the current wind speed and direction. With a 350 kilowatt power loss on GE08, the plant manager starts by looking into that specific turbine. At the turbine level, the plant manager has access to all key operational parameters from the turbine, as well as metadata like manufacturer, model, and power rating. Turbine generation is dependent on asset health and sometimes does not match manufacturer specifications. These factors must be tracked. They immediately see the turbine has an overheat alarm. This alarm is still in progress. They contact the process engineer to let them know about this event. When the plant manager contacts the process engineer, they are surprised to hear that the process engineer has already received a text message from the Pi system, with a link to this exact display. The process engineer has seen the alert and looked into the event. To understand what has happened, they have created a trend of turbine parameters from 10 minutes before the event to the current time. The trend shows the bearing B temperature climbing, while most other temperatures fall. To prove that bearing B is at fault, they open the turbine details view. In the turbine details display, the process engineer can compare the bearing temperatures across all 10 turbines. They see each turbine has a hotter bearing B, but on GE08 the temperature is 20 degrees hotter. Checking the maintenance log, bearing B is nearing its expected lifetime. With the fault found, the plant manager needs to plan a maintenance activity to resolve the issue. The plant manager now views the farm forecast. Power generation must be forecasted and tracked to avoid over or underproduction and predict revenue. They see that the wind speed and expected farm power generation is expected to fall significantly tomorrow morning. They schedule the bearing B overhaul during this upcoming event. That concludes this demonstration, showcasing how AVEVA Pi Vision enables the monitoring of a remote wind farm.